I'm going to introduce you to the Mate Capacity Settings feature. To access it, simply go to the settings of any mate you have access to via the Settings tab. Previously, you could view the model and temperature settings here. Now, you have more control over new options, such as setting the maximum number of tokens generated in a response. By default, this uses the background model's values, but you can adjust these to limit overly large generations if needed. While we recommend keeping the default values, you can certainly change them if you wish. By accessing the advanced settings, you'll find 3 available sections. The context section lets you finely tune whether to inject information about the organization, workspace, project, or chat participants directly into Mate conversations, as well as how agents are mentioned to each other. You can also define what your mate is able to generate. For example, output formats like HTML and SVG that will soon be included in the app, as well as charts. Additionally, there's a carousel feature that lets you choose among several elements, including details like external links and more. For documents, this refers to highlighted content that you can download, copy, and insert directly into the chat, with an option to export in Word or PDF format. Optimization options are also available to compress the number of tokens in conversations. This is particularly useful for reducing consumption when calling agents, as the aim is to remove conversational noise and keep only the essential information. This way, the agent uses fewer tokens, and its responses are more relevant, staying focused on important details thanks to the attention mechanism. Every change is saved in real time, so after adjusting a value, just update your agent for the new setting to take effect.